2476 if my math is correct, cube feet. This is the gross overturning moment. So if you go to this page here and look to this for answers, so it is basically the F1 times H1 plus F2 times H1 plus H2 plus F3 times H1 H2 plus H3. This is a overturning moment, and we translate this into 18 times 14 plus the 30 times 14 plus 12, and the last force, which is 38. Sorry, I'm repeating this again. 14 plus 12 plus 12. If you add all this, you will come up with the number 2476 cube feet, which is the answer C.